Hello friends, in this video we will see how we can generate photos of famous celebrities or actors with help of AI. So we can see some of photos to understand which type of photos we can generate. So now let's generate some photos. So you can click on come to this website first, clipdrop.co, and then you can scroll down and select this option, stable diffusion XL. Okay, so here you can write your prompt, or you can write your message like which type of photo do you want to see. So suppose we want to see Elon Musk as body bodybuilder. Click on generate, click on continue in free mode, and then wait for some time. So here we have Elon Musk as bodybuilder. The first image this tool have generated is not safe for all audience, so it is shown in blurry. So we are not gonna see that image. So we will see all other images. So you can see face is looking similar, and body is also looking like of Elon Musk. And here is one more photo. So now let's try with some other person. So Einstein selfie in suppose India at Taj Mahal. Okay, at Taj Mahal. Suppose we want to see Einstein selfie at Taj Mahal. Click on generate, and now click on skip and wait for some time. So here is photo of Einstein taking selfie at Taj Mahal in India. So you can see this type of photos can you create. So here is, so this app will generate 4 variations of image. So you can see it is looking like a real image, and here is last one. So now we can try some other celebrities like, so here is John Cena at Taj Mahal, but face of John Cena is not looking so good. So now we will try Dwayne Johnson as or Dwayne Johnson doing puja at Haridwar. So here is Dwayne Johnson or Rock doing puja at Haridwar. So here we have two Dwayne Johnson. So now we will try some other celebrity. So let's try Taylor Swift. Uh, we can try it India. So here we have Taylor Swift near shore. So let's check all other photos. So now let's generate photos of Robert Downey Jr. or Iron Man uh, in Mumbai. So here we have Robert Downey Jr. in Mumbai. Here we have two Robert Downey Jr. This photo look like Robert Downey Jr. in Mumbai. So now let's generate a photo of Justin Bieber and Einstein. So here we have Justin Bieber and Einstein, but this photo is not looking so good. I think that photo was good. Einstein at Taj Mahal was very good. So that's how you can generate AI images of famous celebrities, some historic figures, and some of your favorite ones. So I hope you like this video. And if you want to generate AI art with the free website, you can check that tutorial in comment section. So thanks for watching. If you have any other question, you can ask in comments.